Are you tired of juggling multiple tools for screen recording and screenshot annotation? Meet Screenjar for Monday.com. Screenjar lets you record your screen with optional audio and annotate screenshots directly within Monday.com. No extra installations or browser extensions needed. Imagine QA teams recording their screens and attaching steps to reproduce bugs right inside Monday.com items. Or teams communicating asynchronously, explaining tasks and issues with ease. Marketing teams can also comment on website designs and seamlessly communicate improvements to developers. With Screenjar, recordings are attached as MP4 files that can be played directly within Monday.com, eliminating the need for downloads, making your workflow more organized and efficient. Say goodbye to managing multiple tools, and hello to a streamlined, optimized process. Try Screenjar for Monday.com today and see the difference.